Mexicans.
Do something funny at the bottom.
Benny, you got to back up a little bit so you don't. So you can remember you got a bigger picture now. Want me to kick you down, Max?
Ben.
Don't bend back. Okay.
Okay.
Now, guys, if that runs out of space, you got to tell me.
You're so close to me, Max. Okay, so. Do something really funny. I might go down the stairs and do something really funny next.